The classroom that disappears. Easy English mystery story. Learn English through stories. What if a classroom in your school disappeared every Friday at 4 p.m.? Where does it go? Who is waiting inside? This is The Classroom That Disappears, an easy English mystery story for teens to learn English through stories. Stay with Liam and his friends as they unlock the secret of the vanishing classroom. Main characters: Liam, 15, curious, brave, loves adventure. Ella, 14, smart, careful, Liam's best friend. Max, 15, funny, loyal, good at solving puzzles. Grace, 14, quiet, observant, loves taking notes. Chapter 1. The Rumor. It all started with a rumor. Classroom 12 disappears every Friday at 4 p.m., Max said during lunch. Liam laughed. A classroom can't disappear. Ella said, "My brother said it's true. He saw the door vanish." Grace wrote in her notebook, "Check classroom 12, Friday." Chapter 2. Friday at 4. That Friday, Liam, Ella, Max, and Grace stood by classroom 12. At 3:55 p.m., students rushed home. At 3:59 p.m., they heard a soft hum. At 4 p.m., the hallway lights flickered. They watched. The door of classroom 12 shimmered and slowly faded. The wall was blank. Max gasped, "It's gone!" Chapter 3. The Dare. The next Monday, Liam said, "I want to hide inside." Ella said, "You'll get stuck." Max grinned, "Or meet ghosts." Grace said, "We need answers." They planned. This Friday, Liam will hide inside. Chapter 4. The Plan. Friday came. At 3:50 p.m., Liam slipped into classroom 12. The room was cold, empty desks, old posters. He hid inside a storage closet. He peeked out. The clock hit 4 o'clock. A soft hum filled the air. The door vanished. The walls shimmered blue. Chapter 5. Gone. Liam stepped out of the closet. The room was the same, but different. Outside the window, no schoolyard, just dark mist. He touched the door, solid wall. He was alone, until he heard a voice. Chapter 6. The Stranger. "Who's there?" Liam called. A figure stood by the teacher's desk. It was a boy, about Liam's age, wearing an old uniform. "I'm Alex," the boy said softly. "You shouldn't be here." "Where is here?" Liam asked. Alex sighed. "A place between places." Chapter 7. The Story. Alex sat on a desk. "This classroom was cursed 20 years ago." "Why?" Liam asked. "Because I disappeared, and so did my class." Liam's mouth dried up. Are you a ghost?" Alex shrugged. "Maybe, or just a memory." Chapter 8. The Truth. Alex told him, "Our teacher did strange experiments. He wanted to make time stop so students could learn forever. He trapped us here. Now, every Friday at 4 p.m., the classroom slips away." Chapter 9. Liam's Choice. Liam asked, "Why are you still here?" Alex looked sad. "We wait for someone brave enough to break the curse." Liam said, "How?" Alex pointed to an old book on the teacher's desk, The Book of Time. Chapter 10. The Book. Liam opened the book. Pages full of symbols and notes. One page said, "Break the loop, speak the truth, light the dark." Alex said, "You must bring light." Chapter 11. the candle. Liam found a small candle in the teacher's drawer. Alex said, "Light it when the clock hits 4:45. Liam checked his watch. 4:40. Alex whispered, "Hurry!" Chapter 12. The Shadows. Dark shapes moved around the desks. Faces appeared, kids in old uniforms. They stared at Liam. One said, "Help us!" Liam's hands shook. He struck a match. Chapter 13. The Flame. At 4:45, Liam lit the candle. The shadows screamed. The room filled with white light. Alex smiled. "Thank you." The kids faded into the light. Chapter 14. Back. Suddenly, Liam was alone. The door appeared. He opened it. Outside, Ella, Max, and Grace waiting. Liam stumbled out. Chapter 15. The Secret Shared. Back home, Liam wrote it all down. Grace recorded his story. Ella found old news. Alex's whole class vanished in 1999. Max said, "You freed them." Liam said, "We must remember them." Ending. What did they learn? The classroom that disappears teaches us some mysteries hide for years until someone brave looks for answers. The truth can free us, even if it's scary. Friends help us face the dark. Keep asking questions, keep the past alive. Thank you for reading The Classroom That Disappears. Use this story to practice easy English, learn new words, and remember, be brave, be curious, and never stop searching for the truth.